Hello student. So here I am with another problem on projection of solid this time. One of very interesting and one of my favorite problem on the projection of a cube. This will be also interesting because this problem will be you can say the basic of our new topic, one of the new topic, that is isometric projection. So this problem will be helpful when we will study isometric projection also. The problem will be like this: draw the projection of a cube of 45 mm long edges resting on the ground on one of its corner with a solid diagonal perpendicular to VP. So in this type of problem, as you know that cube will be a solid bounded by 6 faces. All the 6 faces are squares. So there is nothing, no talk about any axis, but this is very interesting problem. I just picked from this line that they are saying that it is resting on ground on one of its corner. Ground means horizontal plane. So on that logic we start with the top view and with corner concept. So in the top view, corner concept means the base of the one of the face of the cube will be on the HP with all the sides inclined to VP. So initially I will draw the top view of the cube, that will be a square like this. We will name it A, B, C, D, that is upper face, then E, F, G and H. Now with the help of this we can draw the front view. So draw perpendiculars, go upside, and its front view will be a rectangle height will be same 45 mm. So I will draw the front view. In the front view the points will be, this is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. So this is the front view. The dimensions will be, this is 45 mm. So we got the top view and front view. Now they are saying one of the solid diagonal. Solid diagonal means if there will be a solid diagonal, then this E dash, C dash will be a solid diagonal. So if I join this E dash, C dash, this will be like this. We want to make this solid diagonal perpendicular to VP. Right now it is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. If you look at these two figures, the line EC in the top view, that will be parallel, and in front view that will be inclined. So initially what I am going to make, I am going to make it perpendicular to, I will make it parallel to HP also. So for making it parallel to HP, what we will do, from this point G we will draw a line perpendicular on the line E dash, C dash, name this point as O dash. Now make this G dash, O dash. G will be the point which I am going to keep on the HP. So this is G dash. Now with the help of this G dash, mark this O dash, and with reference to this G dash, O dash, copy the whole figure. So the figure will be like this. So what we have done, actually we have made this line EC parallel to the HP, and just name the point in the same pattern as they are in the first front view. So this will be like this: E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. Now look at this line. E dash, C dash will be now parallel to HP. Now with the help of this we will draw the top view, draw perpendiculars and parallels, and you will get the point. This point will be E, then this will be A, then on this line we will get F, this point will be H, perpendicular from this that will be G, this point will be B, this point will be C, and finally this point will be D. So we will get all the 8 points, draw perpendiculars and parallels. Now as we know that the upper base will be visible from the top view, so initially join this A, B, C, D like this. A, B, C, D. Then after A, B, C, D, you know that the outer lines will be visible, so join the outer part of the cube like this. This line AE is also visible, the upper line. Now the side lines remaining edges of the other base, that is FG and GH. These two lines are dotted lines. So join with the help of dotted lines. And this GC will also be a dotted line when from a point 3 lines pass, then all the 3 lines should be dotted. If the 2 lines are dotted, then the third line will also be dotted line. So this is the figure. Now look at the solid diagonal. This EC will be parallel to both the plane. Now we will make it perpendicular by rotating so that EC will be perpendicular. So I will just copy this complete figure in this position so that this point will be E and this point will be C. Perpendicular. I have picked from here the distance. This EC I picked from here and shifted here. Now with reference to this EC we will copy all the points. So this point will be F, this point will be B, then this middle point will be A, this point will be G, and this point will be H, and finally the point will be D. In the same pattern join all these points, no change. This is just copying the last figure, the last column figure, exactly copy that figure in the same pattern and go perpendicular, outer, again outer line, this will be a solid line, and remaining these two will be dotted lines like this. Now look at the figure. Now EC will be solid diagonal is perpendicular to VP. Now with the help of this figure we will draw the front view, draw parallel lines and perpendiculars from top view. We will get the points. This will be point A dash, on the line of B the point B dash, draw perpendiculars. So this will be B dash, the opposite point will be T dash, then on this line we will get the point C dash. Now this will be C dash, then C dash, and the same point will be E dash, F, this is F dash on the same line, on the same line we will get the H dash, and finally the bottom point will be G dash. Now as you see that in this figure, this A, B, C, D will be away from the reference line. So in the front view, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash will be visible. So join this figure. Then again the outer of the figure, that is from B dash to F dash, F dash to G dash, G dash to S dash, and back to D dash. Then this line, that will be a dotted line, and this line will also be a dotted line. This will be a solid line, and this finally will be a dotted line. So this is the figure. Look at the figure. This is the final projection of this cube when the solid diagonal EC is perpendicular to VP. In the front view, that EC will be a point. And overall, if you look at the figure, that will be a hexagon, and this will be a regular hexagon. And this will also known as, this front view is also known as isometric projection. So one of the best problem. Just go through the problem and solve it and send it to me.